Alright guys, today I'm out here at Pyramid Lake. The water level looks like it went down quite a bit. We haven't had much rain or snow this winter. It's March, so it's already warmer out. You already see a lot more people on ladders, and it's kind of nice actually. Hopefully the fishing is good today. We're going to be using the same exact techniques as last time that you guys were out here. You know, we got our beetles, we got our spoons, flatfish. Pretty easy day. Hopefully we just catch something. Alright, you guys are on the GoPro now.
I was like, I felt something like a bunch of weeds. Oh, it's a good one too.
Yeah. Little kokanee rig. You got tiny hooks on there.
I know.
Kind of scared to stand right next to you.
Got some bend in the fall.
Yeah. I want to see it already.
You can see it?
No, I want to.
Oh, it's a fucking log. Oh, it's big.
Yeah, it's a big one?
It's big.
Oh, yes.
Shit.
Yes, it is.
10 plus pounds. On a kokanee rig. Really? Yeah.
I wish we had a net.
Grab it.
He's not tired yet. Nice. That's a beast. I think he's like keeper size.
Oh my god, he's so big.
We don't have the net. Where's the net when we need it? Where's the giant net that you use for sturgeon? He's not ready. Yeah, he's getting tired.
That's only a kokanee rig, so I'm like 2 pounds in.
Jeez.
Nice. Bring him over here real quick. Oh shit.
Oh my god. Get him so I can get my camera.
This was double hooked.
Yeah?
Dude, he was just barely.
Yeah, barely hooked. I can't get my hand around his tail. Here.
Just barely got him.
Alright guys, I did lose the footage. The GoPro froze on me. We did have a clean release. We took out the hooks, took some pictures, put it back in the water. The fish was probably around 13 pounds, 13, 15, somewhere around there. We couldn't measure it. We didn't have a net, so we didn't want to put the fish on the ground to measure it. We weren't going to keep that fish. It was legal size to keep, but it was just too big. We caught him on a kokanee rig. I'll show you guys some pictures of that right now. Kokanee or hoochie rig, whatever you guys want to call it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. If you guys like this video, give this video a like and hit the subscribe button down below. If you guys thought this was cool and everything, catching the trout on the hoochie rig. It's kind of unique, my dad just saw it in the tug box and threw it on this pool.
Who's in there?
I don't know.